the weekend before Black Friday, November 2024, that weekend before, we had Lego Insider double points. So, they also had some member Insider point discounts along the way, which some of those discounts are still currently in place. Check the Lego website or check the recent video that I posted about all the Insider deals there was. Some of them might be gone already because, deals only last for so long. But they're actually good until December 2nd. On top of some Black Friday deals that are out right now. But today, I finally got the box. I finally got my order from that Lego Insider double points. And boy, I got a couple sets to share with y'all. We're about to venture in to one of my favorite months of the year, December. The next unboxing we're going to be doing is when I unbox what I got for Black Friday. And I'm going to save that for a whole nother video. But the Black Friday experience, stay tuned for that video because it was a disaster. Alright, we got 5 sets in this box. Let's start out with some GWPs. The Choo Choo Train, which currently, as of right now, is still available for $170 purchase. As in, spend $170, you get it. The Turntable. Not currently, as this video is posted, is this available anymore. Alright, let's start with the smaller sets and we'll get to the big one. Yes, come on. For the Winter City, come on. You have to have Santa's delivery truck, especially if you're going to be building the post office. Next up is Santa in a sleigh with his reindeer. We'll be lighting this one like it's pendantly on the way. Alright. The biggin'. The one that I got with my Insider. I used the membership because a discount of $199 was the price for this. And guess what? As of right now, it's still available for that price. And it retires at the end of the year. But we also have the A-frame cabin to do, which we'll probably be doing next year. So after we finish the A-frame cabin, we'll build the treehouse that matches along with it. Because the treehouse, this A-frame cabin, perfectly matched combo. If you don't think so, I don't know what you're thinking. But the treehouse, phenomenal. Phenomenal. It's an absolutely big build, and I haven't decided which way we're going to go with the trees. Are we going to go green, or are we going to go the fallish look? I'm very unsure, but whatever I go with the treehouse, the A-frame cabin has to have that style too, which I know you can switch out the trees for that with the color that represents. But that's everything I got for the Double Insider Points for November 2024. If you would like, down in the comments, just share what you got for that weekend. And in the next video, when we do the unboxing for Black Friday, you guys can share what you got then there too. Alright folks, thank you for coming out and joining this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, whether it's a build, a live, or a light kit. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay awesome, and as always, today's a good day to have a great day. God bless each and every one of you.